Hello everyone, this is Teacher Kevin, your teacher for today. Ako ang teacher na pinapahalagahan kayo, hindi tulad ng ex nyo na wala na nga kayong halaga sa kanya, ipinagpalit pa sa iba. Char! So today, let's talk about evaluating functions. Before we begin, let's go back to the time when you first encountered how to evaluate expressions. Hindi ang balikan ng nakaraan ng ex mo na siya namang nagdulot ng pikati dyan sa puso mo. Char! So to help you remember how to evaluate expression, let's consider or let's evaluate the following expressions at x equals 5. Number 1, x plus 2. Number 2, x minus 13. Number 3, 2x minus 7. Number 4, x squared plus 4x minus 12. And number 5, 4x squared minus 25. Let's evaluate our first expression, x plus 2 at x equals 5. To evaluate the given expression, all you have to do is to copy the expression x plus 2 and substitute the value of x, which is 5, to the given expression. So we have 5 plus 2. And the sum of 5 and 2 is 7. Moving on to our second expression, x minus 13. Let's evaluate the given expression at x equals 5. Again, to evaluate expression, let's substitute the value of x, which is 5, to the given expression. We have 5 minus 13, and the answer is negative 8. Our third expression is 2x minus 7. Let's evaluate this expression at x equals 5. And to evaluate this expression, let's substitute the value of x, which is 5, to the given expression. So from 2x minus 7, it will become 2 times 5 minus 7. And the product of 2 and 5 is 10 less 7. The answer is 3. Our next expression is x squared plus 4x minus 12. To evaluate this expression at x equals 5, replace x by 5. We have 5 squared plus 4 times 5 minus 12. And 5 squared is 25 plus 4 times 5 is 20 minus 12. 25 plus 20 is 45 minus 12. The answer is 33. Moving on to our last expression, 4x squared minus 25. Again, let's use the same step. First is to replace x by 5. We have 4 times 5 squared minus 25. Our next step is to simplify the number inside the parentheses. We have 4 times 25 minus 25. Now multiply 4 by 25 will give you 100 minus 25. The answer now is 75. So, ganun lang kasimple ang mag-evaluate ng expression. Ang una natin gagawin ay palitan ng bawat letrang x sa ating expression ng numerong naka-assign dito. Tulad ng ginawa sa iyo ng ex mo na pinagpalit ka na nga sa iba at ang mas masakit sa best friend mo pa. Char! So tutungo na tayo ngayon sa definition ng evaluating function. Evaluating function is actually the process of determining the value of the function at the number assigned to the given variable. To fully understand the definition of evaluating function, let's consider our first example. Given f of x equals 2x minus 5, the problem is find the value of the function if x is equal to 4. First step is to copy the given function f of x equals 2x minus 5. Second is substitute the value of x, which is 4, to the given function. We have f of 4 equals 2 times 4 minus 5. F of 4 now is equal to 8 minus 5. And f of 4 is equal to 3. It's very simple, right? Let's move on to our next example. Given g of x equals 3x squared plus 9, find g of negative 2. In this example, the value of x is negative 2. In the solution, copy the given function first. So we have g of x equals 3x squared plus 9. Next step is substitute the value of x, which is negative 2, to the given function. We have g of negative 2 equals 3 times negative 2 squared plus 9. Next step is to simplify the number inside the parentheses. We have g of negative 2 equals 3, negative 2 squared, that is 4, plus 9. G of negative 2 now is equal to 3 times 4 is 12 plus 9. And the answer is g of negative 2 equals 21. Let's move on to our third example. Given k of x equals 4x plus 8 all over 2x minus 4, find k of 3. In this case, the value of x is 3. In our solution, copy the given function k of x equals 4x plus 8 all over 2x minus 4. Our next step now is substitute 3 for x in the function. We have k of 3 equals 4 times 3 plus 8 all over 2 times 3 minus 4. K of 3 now is equal to 12. 12 is the product of 4 and 3 plus 8 all over 6. 6 is the product of 2 and 3 minus 4. K of 3 is equal to 20 over 2, or K of 3 now is 10. Next example, given the function p of x equals 4 raised to x, find the value of the function at x equals 3 halves. First is copy the given function p of x equals 4x, 4 raised to x rather. Next, substitute 3 halves for x in the function. We have p of 3 halves equals 4 raised to 3 over 2. And 4 raised to 3 over 2 is actually the square root of 4 cubed. P of 3 halves now is equal to the square root of 64. Why 64? Because 4 cubed is 64. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. And the square root of 64 is 8. Therefore, P of 3 halves is 8. Moving on to our last example, given the function f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 5, find the value of the function at x equals negative 7. We have the function f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 5. And to evaluate that, substitute negative 7 for x in the function. We have f of negative 7 equals the absolute value of negative 7 minus 5. F of negative 7 is equal to the absolute value of negative 12. And the absolute value of negative 12 is positive 12. Therefore, f of negative 7 is simply 12. So, ganyan lang kasimple or kadali ang pag-evaluate ng function. Ngayon, kaya nyo na bang mag-evaluate ng function? If yes, then Do the activity. The activity is entitled Find My Value. So sad. Dahil hindi makita ng ex mo ang iyong halaga sa kanya, kaya iniwan kanya at sumama siya sa iba. Char! Now, evaluate the following functions. H of x equals 10x minus 23 at h of negative 3. Second, p of x equals 2x minus 1 all over x plus 4 at x equals 3 halves. Guys, are you ready? If yes, then I will give you 3 minutes to answer the given activity. Your timer starts now. Enjoy solving, my dear. I know you can do it. You have 1 minute left. Kayang-kaya niyo yan, guys. I know you can do it. Just keep on solving. Ten, nine, eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, 1, 0. Time's up. Now, it's time to check your work. Kung ang sagot mo sa number 1 ay h of negative 3 equals negative 53, then you arrived the correct answer. Likewise, kung ang sagot mo naman sa number 2 is p of 3 halves equals 4 over 11, then your answer is correct. Kung nakuha nyo ang dalawang tamang sagot, then you're doing great job. Excellent. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and God bless. Goodbye, guys.